G'day and welcome back to RC Model Reviews. This was the Tokoro airfield today, very windy, very turbulent. These are quite large, heavy jets, and this one's getting thrown around like a bit of a leaf because those were the conditions. And I thought, what better time to test out the mods I made to the ZOHD Nano Talon Evo. So I took it out and I put a Mobius facing towards the tail feathers so you can see that the elevators are actually moving. Gave it a throw, and as you'll see, it's not getting thrown around, probably not even as much as that jet was at the conditions. This was just moments after that jet flew, so the wind was still just as strong. You notice I've got up elevator, I've got down elevator. The model flew so much nicer. It was just a dream, well, not a dream in those conditions, but it was much easier to fly. It was a far more controllable model. I had pitch control. If the nose rose, I could actually push it down, and if the nose dipped, I could pull it up because the elevators were far more effective, and that's what we're looking for. That's what we want in a model like this. So I did a couple of circuits, didn't have a lot of time because there were other people wanting to use the flight line. It was a jet weekend. But as you can see, despite the very turbulent, blustery conditions, I never felt like the model was in jeopardy at any time, and I felt that I had far more control. And as I come in for a landing at the end of this little piece of video, you'll see that I do use quite large dobs of up elevator, and the control surfaces don't get blown back as some people predicted they would. So even if there is a bit of flex left in those push rods, it's still certainly so much better than it was when we had that really stiff hinge line. So there we go, flight test complete. I will do some more flight testing, FPV and so forth. Then I'll put the flight controller on. Here we go, watch for the elevator movements. There's a few dabs, there we go. And cartwheel it because long grass, wing caught in the grass, tipped it over, never mind. So there you go, thanks for watching. Comments to the commentary piece, and I will spot you later. Bye for now.